The images that you are looking at right now are not generated using Flux Ideogram Midjourney or any other AI image generators. I have generated all these images. I created all these visuals using a brand new free platform called YuwaConnect AI Free Tools. And as you can already see, the results are stunning. This open source tool is taking the internet by storm, and today I'll show you how to use it for free, step by step. No coding skills required. Let's dive in. Using YuwaConnect is super simple. All you need is a browser and an internet connection. Go to yuwaconnect.com. Click on Free AI Tools and you'll be taken to a clean interface where you can start creating right away. There's no login required, no waiting list, no credit card, just instant access to powerful AI features. Let's start with image generation. In the image section, you can enter a prompt like a beautiful woman at the beach, smiling. Then choose your aspect ratio, style, and hit generate. It takes just a few seconds, and look at the result. But YuwaConnect doesn't stop at images. You can also generate high-quality text, perfect for blog posts, scripts, emails, social media content, or try the voice generator. Simply type what you want spoken, select a voice and language, and get a natural sounding audio file in seconds. Even video editing tools are available. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools that can change the way you create forever. Drop a comment below and tell me what you'd like to see next. And don't forget to test YuwaConnect yourself. It's 100% free and seriously worth your time.